So you can see I am currently logged into this Instagram profile. And I am visiting one of my other Instagram profiles. Now if I log into that profile that I have just visited, here I can see my other profile from which I have performed a visit. So you have just seen the results, and I'll not make you wait, and I'll directly get to the point that how you can see the people who are stalking your Instagram profile or who are visiting it. For that purpose, there are only 3 steps. And the very first step is you have to first of all open up your Instagram profile, and after that go to your profile section by tapping on this little profile picture available at the bottom right corner of your screen. And after that you have to tap on this hamburger icon available at the top right corner of the screen. It doesn't matter whether you are on Android or iPhone, the process is absolutely the same. And after that you have to scroll down to the end, and here you get an option Account Type and Tools under your Insights and Tools. So tap on Account Type and Tools, and after that the first option in this list is Switch to Professional Account. So you gotta tap on it, and after that you have to press this Next, and here you have to select the category which suits you the best. For example, I'm a digital creator, so I'm going with it. You can also search other categories from this search button available right here. And after selecting the category, tap on this button right here, which is Switch to Professional Account. And it may take a few seconds, and after that it will ask whether you are a creator or a business. I do not own any business, so I'm going with creator, and after that press this Next button, and you are done here with the very first step. Simply tap this cross button available at the top right corner of the screen, and the first step is done. Now moving towards the second last step, you have to tap on this professional dashboard option available after converting your account to a creator account. So tap on professional dashboard, and next tap on views, and here under profile activity you can see that 25 people have visited this Instagram profile in the last 28 days. Now for knowing that who are these 25 people, you need to follow the third and final step, and that is you have to minimize Instagram application, and after that go to your app store if you are on iPhone, and you have to go to Play Store if you are on Android. And after that tap on the search button and search here Instagram profile visitor tracker, and hit the search button, and many apps will appear up. And if you are on iPhone, you can simply install this application right here, and if you are on Android, you can also install any app which appears up at the top. And as I have already installed this application, so I'm gonna open it. After that you have to log in your Instagram account in this application. So simply after typing in your credentials, press the login button, and your Instagram account will be logged in this application. And there you go. After logging into your account, you will get an option here, New Profile Stalkers. So tap on it, and here you have to simply watch an ad for seeing a stalker. For example, let's watch the first ad from here, and here we go. After watching an ad, here I can see that this person has visited my Instagram account. You can tap on his name to see his details, just like this one here. And after that you can watch another ad for seeing another stalker, and so on. Now let me give you a disclaimer that this kind of apps are not secure, as you have to log in your Instagram account in these third-party applications, which may be dangerous as they get your login information. So try avoiding these kind of apps. But still, if you want to know that who visited your Instagram profile, then this is the only way to know. Thank you so much.